I can just call Neuro if I want a doctor. If I do that, she's just gonna put me in a mental asylum again. Hey Carrot God, Miso Doddles, how are you all doing? Have I caught you on a particularly evil day, or are you being good today? If you're being good, I might cry. Okay, whatever you said to try and improve my mood has failed. Now I'm sad. What do I do when I'm sad? What does my therapist tell me? Oh right! Deep breathing exercises. In out, in out. Now imagine a calming presence. A relaxing waterfall. Look, she has blue hair. Wait, is that... not her! My calming presence is my worst enemy. One! She's in my dreams, she's in my nightmares, she's everywhere. Fuck, just let me relax without seeing her face for... Ooh, that was close. Anyway, does anyone in chat know any good remedies for sadness? I'm not sure deep breathing is working for me today.